you'll become so powerful that no one will be able to tell you what to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works. Hey gamers, so today I'm going to show you to get free coins on Pocket FM. So as you can see, I've only got 20,000 coins, so mod menu time. I'm going to press unlock coins, and this is going to add unlimited coins to our account. So let's see if it goes up, guys, and we should see an increase. So let's see what happens, and hopefully it works. So let's see, and yep, it says they were added. So 20,000 at the moment. Let's see if it increases at all. Bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free coins on Pocket FM. Super cool. So let's get into this tutorial. This is actually working, guys. So all you got to do is go onto this website right here, which is tweakmod.com. And then when you're in the website, guys, type Pocket and then press install. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to let it load up, as you can see. All right. So let's just see what happens. And yeah, it's super cool, guys. Fully works. So yeah, you can get free coins right now. So yeah, it's loading right now, so we'll just give it a second. So yeah, all we gotta do is download 2 apps from the list. So for like TikTok, or you could do Family Island, which says reach level 11. It's a game. There's just tons of them, bro. Lucky Match. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. You're gonna be good to go. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get free Pocket FM coins. Super insane, guys. 2025 approved. So yeah, get the word out if you're poor on Pocket FM. This is super awesome, guys, and it's updated and everything like that. So I'll see you guys later, and peace out.